Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can fix any bug on Messenger. First thing is just check your internet, because due to slow internet, the messages you want to see, they won't load. So you think that's a problem, but that is not the problem. It's just the slow internet. And even with like a fast internet, if you're still facing the issue, then go inside our app store and search for Messenger. We want to check if there's any update available or not. My Messenger says open, that means it's up to date. But if it shows you update over here instead of open, click on it to update your Messenger and your problem should be fixed. And even after updating your Messenger, if your problem is not fixed, you need to go inside your phone setting. And from inside phone setting, click on where it says general, click on where it says iPhone storage. Come over here, find Messenger, and once you see Messenger, click on it and click on offload app. Click on offload app again, and what this is going to do is this is going to clear all the cache of your Messenger app. Now click on reinstall app and your Messenger will be reinstalled, and now you can use it with your bugs being fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just delete your Messenger app and reinstall that again. Sometimes the setting being changed causes the problem. So when you delete and reinstall Messenger, all of your settings will be back to the default setting and your problem should be fixed and your Messenger should start to work properly. That's how we guys can fix this issue.